it's your girl Liza, coming at you. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. And good morning. Psych! It's good night. Yeah, I stood here all day for this. But you can't really see me, so the Lord said, let there be light. Thank you. Anyways, so it's night-night, which means it's time for some late-night thoughts. That was a pretty cute and clever transition. Man, I'm adorable. Wait, what? Can they hear me right now? Well, welcome to Late Night Thoughts. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I become a genius at night. Hello, video transition. I just realized I sat around and made poop all day. Why are they called heels if you're on your toes? Mountains are boobs of the earth. Mountain climbers are perverts. If it's your first time having Chipotle, does that mean you got Chipotle? Is Jimmy John's dad Papa John's? Why do secret agents always wear suits? Wouldn't it be easier to run around and fight crime in, like, sweatpants? If you spill coffee on a shirt, is it still a t-shirt? I'm gonna name my child Eve so everybody can personally wish her Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's every year. What do you call a Jewish bartender? Hebrew. That was a good one. I know. Dang, I didn't do anything all day. Wait, no. I sat around and made poop all day. Nice. Whoa, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Dang it! I lost my train of thought. I will forever wonder if those old peaches and onions that Shia LaBeouf ate in holes were actually good. I used to be a cell. My parents made a cell together. How did they even do that? Oh, no, wait. Can I say nice to meet you to someone if they're vegan? The word imperfect literally spells out I'm perfect. They start telling you not to do drugs in high school. Honestly, I could care less about trying a Krabby Patty. I want to try a Krusty Krab pizza. He made a whole freaking song about it. Is there a janitor that doesn't know how to whistle? The Krusty Krab, yeah, pizza is the pizza for you, Me. Pickles are just small teenager cucumbers. Whoa, I totally forgot what my voice sounded like. Hello? Oh, hey, what's up? Are you still eco-friendly if you eat vegetables? Did anyone water George Bush? Is it called fall because the temperature and leaves are starting to drop? If you're a driven person, does that mean you have gas too? Is any powder in chili powder? What happens when Ice Cube runs a fever? Is Swiss cheese in Switzerland just cheese? Cars are giant moving cup holders. Are turkeys in Turkey just birds? Does a tree have a family tree? And is that called a forest? If you're Greek, all yogurt is Greek yogurt. I pay an extra $1.99 at Chipotle for someone to destroy an avocado. I'm so expressive even when I'm just thinking. My parents could have ruined my life by naming me. Ah! If you draw creepy pictures, does that make you sketchy? Oh, hey, what's up? Yeah. It's kind of funny. I'm gonna name my kid that. Why don't I have more friends? I'm loyal, I'm friendly, I like walks. Oh my god, I'm a dog. So I think that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up because thinking took longer than I thought. And I'll see you guys next Wednesday with Liza, where I guarantee I won't look like an amoeba. Little brown nappy girl. Bye.